Mainsaver is built to handle maintenance management for even the most complex equipment efficiently, with unlimited asset hierarchies, self-building spare parts lists, and automated work order generation, so you're prepared for planned downtime or critical repairs. You can create a new asset either from scratch or as a duplicate of an existing asset. To create one from scratch, start by selecting the New button in the toolbar. This will take you to the Assets New page. Enter a unique asset number to identify the asset with, as well as a brief description of the asset. Also, select an asset status, work area, and cost center. You can optionally upload a photograph of the asset that will display in the Detail tab. Start by selecting the Choose File button. Then, select an image file to upload. Finally, select the Save button. After saving, you can freely navigate between the tabs. The Part List tab keeps track of available spare parts. The Specifications tab allows for setting rating specifications. The History tab tracks work history. The Documents tab allows for uploading related files. You can also assign another asset as the asset's parent. This creates an organized hierarchy of parent and child assets. To view and edit assets arranged within a hierarchical list, select the Asset Hierarchy button from the toolbar.